Hello Internet, welcome back to Jacked Up Lab. The problem we're solving today, phone cords. No, I don't have a solution for the lost phone cord. I'm sure somewhere in the universe there's this great big ball of iPhone cords. And where it exists, I don't know, but that's where they go. They just disappear, especially if there's teenagers involved. You can have a charger sitting somewhere by your chair, by your nightstand, for 3 years, and then next thing you know, it just vanishes, and nobody's seen it, nobody saw where it went, and they just disappear. They spontaneously combust, I guess. Maybe they build into these things some sort of self-destruction thing, you know, like you see on Mission Impossible. You know, after you use it so many times, it just spontaneously disappears. I don't know how many phone cords I've bought over the last 10 years, but it's a bunch. But anyway, we're not solving that problem today. The problem we're solving is, you know, every now and then after the phone cords wear out, when you plug them in, it'll ding, and then it dings off, and then it dings on and off, and you wiggle the cord back and forth, and it ding, 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 ding. Well, that led me to believe that this bending action you see that occurs right there probably should not occur. That it's from the bending, it becomes loose in here, and then it ceases to work, and then you have to get on Amazon and buy 3 more like I did the other day. Well, about 5 or 6 years ago, I bought one of those that's a high quality phone charger. It was even 10 feet long. It was very handy. And I kept it right by my chair, right in my area where I watch TV, and it worked for years. It was the longest lasting phone cord I ever had, and nobody could steal it because nobody else has a 10-foot phone charger. Nobody really wants one that big. You know, it's kind of a little inconvenient if you're carrying around an extension cord. But nevertheless, it quit working, and it lasted a very long time. And one of the things that I did to it is what I'm going to show you today. And so what we're going to try to do, we're just going to try to stiffen this up, this area right here. We're just going to try to stiffen that up so it doesn't bend as much. Maybe it needs to bend way down here somewhere and not right there. And so that's all we're going to do. And so what I have, heat shrink, Harbor Freight. I don't know how much this costs, maybe $3. I don't remember. I've had this so long, I don't remember even when I bought it or how much it cost, but it's cheap. You know, it's Harbor Freight, it's cheap. And the good thing about this stuff is this black is just big enough to go around that thing right there. So we can get some pieces around it. And so what we're going to do, we're just going to cut some pieces. I've got 3 chargers that I ordered from Amazon the other day. And then I have Harbor Freight, $10. And I've had it for 5 years or something. I don't know, it works great. For indoor use only? What would happen if I took it outside? Why can't you take it outside? It's a Drill Master. Yep, works pretty good. Look at all that sawdust. Drill Master. So Omnicef makes the best scissors. If y'all can find a pair, you should always buy them. They're the best scissors. Omnicef scissors. Heat shrink tubing. A 9-piece assortment. Looks like way more than 9 pieces in there. Maybe it's 9 of each. I don't know. It's not waterproof. Wear approved safety goggles during use. I don't think this involves flying objects. Why would you need safety glasses with shrink tubing? Let's get at it. Seriously? Just in case, I'll put my safety squints on. Of course, I'm wearing glasses. They're not safety glasses, but I'm wearing glasses. I still don't understand why you have to wear safety glasses. I guess it's just standard. You put that on everything. That's what we're all about. We're all about safety around here, aren't we? Okay. All right, let's put the stuff on. We want to put the one that's going to go on the outside on first. You'll see why in just a second. All right, that goes on first. And the reason we want to put that one on first is we're going to put this one, the small one, on first, and we're going to heat it up. Then this whole thing's going to be warm. And if we warm this thing up now, the minute, this is such a tight fit on there, the minute we put that other one on, try to slide it on there, it's going to shrink down even tighter, and then you dang sure won't get it on. So that's the reason we want to put it on first. So we're going to do this one first, and we're just going to pull it. We're going to pull it right up to there. We're going to pull it right up to there and heat it up. See, it bends way out here now instead of right there. Perfect. That's what we're trying to achieve. You don't need a heat gun either. And if you prefer your shrink tubing toasted, use a lighter. Big projects coming up. Gonna change the channel. It's not, what? No, it's not gonna change the channel. When you say change the channel, you imply changing the channel, like going from one channel to another. That's not right. We're not changing the channel. The channel content is going to be severely altered in the upcoming months. There's big stuff happening at Jacked Up. Big stuff. So you'll want to be aware of that. You want to stay on top of that. If you hadn't already, subscribe and ring the bell. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.